Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to choose an investment platform. Selecting the right platform is crucial for your financial journey. We'll cover essential steps to help you make an informed decision. First, understand your personal investment goals and how much risk you are comfortable taking. Then, we will look at comparing different platform features and costs to find the best fit for your needs. Once you know your goals, consider the platform's features. A user-friendly interface and a reliable mobile app can greatly enhance your experience. Look for platforms that provide valuable educational content and robust research tools to help you make smart decisions. Excellent customer support is also vital, ensuring you can get help when you need it, whether by phone or chat. Investment platforms generally fall into a few categories. Robo-advisors are great for hands-off investing, automatically managing your portfolio for a small fee. Discount brokers suit those who prefer to manage their own trades, offering lower costs. Full-service brokers provide personalized advice and a wider range of services, ideal if you need more guidance and support. To finalize your choice, consider starting with a small investment to get a feel for the platform. This allows you to test its features and ensure it meets your expectations before committing more capital. Remember to regularly review your portfolio and the platform's performance to ensure it still aligns with your financial objectives. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.